How to add a tag to my affiliate link. In this article, you will learn how to add a tag to an affiliate link to track the traffic source. This can be done using the TK parameter, which should be added to the link just after the affiliate ID, following the steps below. 1. Create the affiliate link. Just add SA equals affiliated at the end of the URL, replacing affiliated with your affiliate ID. Click here to see the detailed procedure. 2. Add an TK equals at the end of the affiliate link. 3. Add the tag you want. Example, you want to add the tag YouTube to the affiliate link to promote the homepage of Systeme.io. Let's say your affiliate ID is SA00041537157D466C95A6395-4031D503BEA587 link, https://systeme.io/affiliate link. https://systeme.io/?SA SA00045371570BE466C95A6395-4E031D503BEA587 affiliate link. To add the tag YouTube, https://systeme.io/?marksa=SA00045371570BE466C95A6395-4E031D503BEA587 TK =YouTube. The YouTube tag will be added to all sales made from this link.